2025 BMW M8 is here, and it's more powerful, aggressive, and luxurious than ever. Welcome to Auto Review, where we bring you the most detailed insights into the latest and greatest cars. Today, we're diving deep into the stunning new BMW M8, a high-performance masterpiece that blends speed, technology, and elegance into one breathtaking package. At first glance, the 2025 M8 commands attention with its bold and muscular design. The signature kidney grille is now more sculpted, featuring blacked-out accents that give it a menacing look. Flanked by sleek laser headlights, the front fascia exudes aggression, while the sculpted hood and deep air intakes hint at the beast lurking beneath. The entire body is aerodynamically refined, with carbon fiber elements subtly integrated to enhance both aesthetics and performance. The black paint option further amplifies its road presence, making it look like a predator ready to strike. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW M8 houses a monstrous 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, now refined to deliver an astounding 635 horsepower and 625 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse is mated to an 8-speed M Steptronic transmission, ensuring lightning-fast shifts and precise control. The M xDrive all-wheel drive system, with a selectable rear-wheel drive mode, provides maximum grip and allows for exhilarating drifts at the push of a button. The result, a jaw-dropping 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.0 seconds, making the M8 one of the quickest grand tourers on the planet. The performance upgrades don't stop at the engine.